holiday, need some currency. Sterling won't do, gotta get the right money. See, I don't know what to do, I've clearly left it too late, but I need to get my cash for a decent rate. But those airport bureaus always make me wanna scoff. Half my spending money gone before I take off. If only there was somewhere that didn't charge a lot, so I had my money left in the holiday pot. Have you not heard about eurochange? I ordered mine online, took 60 seconds to arrange. 1 minute later and it's ready to collect. Picked it all up before my luggage got checked. Well, it all sounds great, but I'm off to England. Finding East Caribbean dollars is surely gonna be a killer. It's honestly not an issue, eurochange is sorted. I've got the widest range of currencies on the market. EXCHANGE with eurochange, it's commission free. EXCHANGE with eurochange, it's commission